Here is the Gilkie trailer I got. Do a walk around. Here's a nice mural. It says the Road Runner. Beep beep on the road. There's also Terre Haute and then the Swindlers. Over here, the other side is a map. You have Mexico, you have British Columbia, Alberta, and Canada, and then look at all these other places. When I'm over here, I can go back and look under. I don't see any serial numbers. And then there's the ice box. There's some tile on the floor. I don't know if that's original. I doubt it. You see the handle for the screen. These were actually Model T fenders that Guilkey used. This is the hitch, and the hitch is less than a 2-inch hitch. Someone added on this box here.